Hey, it's Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to see send friend requests on Snapchat. But before I continue with this video, please subscribe to my channel, it helps me out a lot. So what you want to do is you want to open up your Snapchat. You want to click on your profile on top left, and then you want to see my friends. So these are currently all the friends on your Snapchat. Now if we go back and I click on add friends, these are all of the people that I can add. And basically, how do you know who you sent your friend request? If I click add, it usually will be said added, or I will have options like this. If I click on the profile that's not my friend, I will be able to click it, and usually here will be like a check mark, and that's basically it. You can also remove these people, etc. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you're still having issues, let me know what was the problem and I'll do my best to help you.